Challenge. What does he got away with it mean? He escaped, he wasn't caught or punished, he went somewhere to relax. Not sure? That's okay. By the end of this lesson, you'll see just how many different meanings get can have. And if you enjoy learning practical English through real examples, hit like and subscribe to True English Academy. Now let's see how well you really know get. Number 1. Get together. Get together means to meet someone and spend time together, usually in a social situation. For example, in a cafe, in a restaurant, and so forth. For example, we should get together sometime soon. Now let's hear it in a real situation. I haven't seen my old classmates for months. We decided to get together this weekend. So, you can use get together when you are talking about meeting friends, family, or other people you know. And the question, who do you usually get together with? The next one, get on with someone. Get on with someone means to have a good relationship with that person. We often use it with will. We say, get on well with that person. For example, I get on really well with my coworker, or I get on really well with my friends, with my sister, and so on. Now listen to it in context. We work together every day, but fortunately we get on really well. So, this is about having a positive relationship with someone. And the question, who do you get on really well with? Get behind. Get behind. If you get behind with something, you are not making as much progress as you should. For example, I've gotten behind with my work. Now, here is a more natural situation. I've had a really busy week. Now, I'm getting behind with several projects. So, if you have too much to do and you are not making enough progress, you can say you are getting behind. And the question, what do you sometimes get behind with? Next phrase, get something over with. Get something over with means to finish something unpleasant so you don't have to worry about it anymore. For example, I just want to get this presentation over with. Now listen to it in context. I hate giving presentations, so I want to get it over with and relax afterward. We often use this when there is something we don't really want to do, but we just want to finish it and move on. And the question, what's something you'd rather get over with quickly? Get over something at first glance seems similar to the previous one, but it's completely different. Get over something means to recover emotionally from something difficult or upsetting. It could be a disappointment, a breakup, a failure, or another difficult experience that maybe a person can have. For example, it took me a long time to get over the disappointment. Now, let's hear it in a context. She was really upset after losing her job, but eventually she got over it and moved on. So here, get over means to recover emotionally and move forward. The question, what helps you get over a difficult experience? Before moving forward, if you're finding this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow. Next one, get away. Get away means to leave a place or situation, especially because you need a break or want to escape. For example, I really need to get away for a few days. Now, imagine you've been working non-stop. I've been working non-stop lately. I really need to get away and take a break. Here, get away means to leave your normal routine and take a break. And the question, Where do you go when you need to get away? Now, this one is very different from get away. Get away with something means you do something wrong, but you aren't caught or punished for it. For example, he lied to his boss, but he got away with it. Now listen to it in context. He broke the rules several times, but nobody noticed. He thought he could get away with it. So remember, get away means leave or escape. Get away with something means do something wrong without getting caught. Have you ever gotten away with something you shouldn't have done? Next phrase, get around to something, means to finally find the time to do something you wanted or planned to do. For example, I haven't gotten around to cleaning my room yet. Now, here is how we use it naturally. I've been meaning to organize my file for weeks, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. Notice the structure. Get around to followed by a noun or verb plus ing form. For example, I haven't gotten around to doing it yet. What have you been meaning to do but haven't gotten around to yet? Next phrase, get by. Get by means to manage with what you have, especially when your resources are limited. You can get by with limited money, limited time, limited help, or other resources. For example, we don't have much money, but we can get by. Now listen to it in context. Things are expensive these days, but we are managing. We can get by if we are careful. So, get by doesn't necessarily mean you are struggling. It simply means you are managing with what you have. The question, what do you need to get by in everyday life? The last phrase, get at. Get at is often used when you want to understand what someone really means. For example, what exactly are you getting at? Let's hear it in a short conversation. You spend way too much time working. What are you getting at? I'm saying you need to take a break. So we use get at when someone isn't saying something directly and you are trying to understand their real meaning. When someone speaks indirectly, do you usually understand what they are getting at? How many of these 10 get phrasal verbs did you already know? 10 out of 10? 7? Maybe only 3? Tell me your score in the comments and your real challenge, choose one get phrasal verb from this lesson and make your own sentences. And the rule is don't look back at the examples. Write your sentence in the comments. I want to see how you use it. And if you enjoyed this lesson and want to build more natural English, hit like and subscribe to True English Academy. There are more practical English lessons coming. And remember, don't just learn English, use it. See you in the next lesson.